Hello everyone, welcome back to TechSgems. Want to reset Siri on your iPhone? If Siri is not responding correctly, or it's not recognizing your voice, or you have been having problems after an iOS update, resetting Siri can often fix the issue. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. So let's get it started. First, open the Setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Apple Intelligence and Siri. If you are using an older version of iOS, this option may simply be called Siri. Now tap on Request. Here you will see an option such as Siri, Hey Siri, or Hey Siri and Siri. And here tap off first. Wait a few seconds. Then choose the option you want to use, such as Hey Siri or Hey Siri and Siri. Your iPhone will not start the Siri setup process again. Follow the on-screen instructions and say each phrase clearly when prompted. Siri may ask you to say some phrases. Once you have finished all the voice prompts, Siri will be reset and ready to use again. If Siri still is not working properly after resetting it, make sure your iPhone is connected to the internet and running the latest version of iOS. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next video.